Hello friends, in this lecture I'll show you how to create an animated cartoon reel for 1 2 minute duration using a tool called Adobe Express. So to open the tool you have to go to Google and search Adobe Express Animate from Audio. You have to open this link. Okay, animate your voice for free. You can see this Adobe Express Start Now button. You have to click on this button to open the tool. Okay, so in the first step, you have to choose your characters, which character you want to choose to speak in the reel. Okay, so you can see the categories all. Okay, so we have so many categories: food, sports, music, mouth only. If you select mouth only, you can see you will see this character only: a lip, a mo, a finster, a happy. Okay, so if you select food, you will see these characters: pumpkin, candy, toast, cupcake, soda pop. Okay, so you can choose the characters using categories, or you can go to all and pick your favorite characters which you want to use in your reels. Okay, so let's use this one, bow. Okay, so either you can adjust the character size like this from your mouse, drag and drop, drag and extend, or you can choose your character size using this character scale like this. Okay, let's keep this size only. The second step is to use the background. What background you want to use. So we have a lot of backgrounds pre-available in this tool, like field, felt street, house exterior, living room, blue sofa, nature. Okay, the third is size. What size you want to use? So for Instagram reels, we choose 9:16 ratio. Okay, so once this is selected, the next step is to voice record for this audio. Okay, so let's record our voice. Hello guys, my name is James Parker and I'm here to create my first animated reel using Instagram. So let's see how this goes. Done. Okay, so it will play in some time. It's uploading. So this one, in this way, you can use your own voice for these characters. Okay. So it takes some time, guys. So we have two options. Either we can use our own voice, or we can write the script using ChatGPT, okay, and convert that speech into voice using this tool 11 Labs, and then use that voice in this character. Okay, it's wrapping up. So you have two options. Once it is done, either you can download it like this, or you can open in Adobe Express. So let's open in Adobe Express. It's asking me to sign in. Let's sign in first. You can sign in using your Gmail account. Select, click on Google. Continue with Google. It's a free tool, guys, so you can create as many videos as you want to. Okay, it's not limited like you can create only 3 reels or 4 reels in a day. It's unlimited. But the problem is that this tool is limited. You can use only 10,000 characters in the free version. Okay, so you can see I have already used 3,000 characters, so I have 7,000 characters left for this month. So every month you will get 10,000 characters for free. So if you want to have 30,000 characters, you have to purchase it for $10. Okay, this paid version you have to purchase in 11 Labs. Okay, so I've logged in, it's opening my project. Okay, let's play this. Okay guys, I think there seems to be a problem in my microphone. That's why my voice was not recorded. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go back and I'll use the AI voice. Okay guys, so let's write a script using ChatGPT. So here in this course, you will also learn the prompt engineering part, like how to type commands on ChatGPT to get your video script, like those things you will get to learn here. So suppose if I want to have a stand-up comedy script for 1 minute reel, how would you type the command to ChatGPT to get it? Write a 1 minute script in English for my cartoon reel to post on Instagram. Okay, so once you type this command, you will get the answer. You can see it's giving me the script in the screen wise, screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. But since we want to copy paste here in one paragraph, so now we'll ask the ChatGPT to summarize all the script part in one paragraph. So it summarized the script into one paragraph, but we don't want the summary, we want the speaker's point of view, the full script, what the speaker is going to say in the reel. So write the script in one paragraph. Okay, so this is a script. Posting regular videos and still getting 0 views, that was me until I discovered a smarter way to stand out without dancing filters or even showing my face. I started using Adobe Express to create fun animated cartoon reels that grabbed attention fast. They were easy to make, totally unique, and suddenly my views took off. Brands noticed, affiliate income started rolling in, and how my content works for me while I sip coffee off camera. Want to learn how to do the same? Hit the link in my bio and start turning your reels into revenue. So what I'm doing, I will copy this script. I'll go to 11 Labs. I will paste the script here. Okay, and I'll click on generate speech button. Okay, I'll use the speaker as a share.
Posting regular videos and still getting 0 views? That was me, until I discovered a smarter way to stand out without dancing, filters, or even showing my face. I started using Adobe Express to create fun, animated cartoon reels that grabbed attention fast. They were easy to make, totally unique, and suddenly, my views took off. Brands noticed, affiliate income started rolling in, and now my content works for me while I sip coffee off camera. Want to learn how to do the same? Hit the link in my bio and start turning your reels into revenue.
Okay guys, so this is the generation 1. So you will always get 2 generated voices once you hit the regenerate speech button. So you can choose between these 2 options. So this is the voice 1 generation. Let's look out the voice 2 generation.
Posting regular videos and still getting 0 views. That was me, until I discovered a smarter way to stand out without dancing, filters, or even showing my face.
Okay guys, so both are more or less both are same. Okay, the speaker tone and the speaker speed you will get noticed changing. So I think both are same, but I like the generation 1 voice for more better. So I'll now download this. Okay, so click on download. Here you can see my credit limit is 70110 only. I got 10,000 free credit. Okay, so I created 6-7 reels, so that's why 3,000 has been utilized. So now I have 7,000 words left. Okay, so once it is done, I will be not be able to generate the voice from text in this month. Okay, so once the month is over, I'll again get the 10,000 free credits. Okay, so if you want to be more engaged, if you want to create more Instagram reels using this text to voice, you have to purchase the premium plan, which is of $10 and which will give you 30,000 words per month. In the free version, you will only get 10,000 words. Okay, so now I'm going to download it. Okay, so the speech have been downloaded. Now I'll go to Adobe Express. I'll click on browse. I'll select the downloaded file, and now it's uploading. So meanwhile it's uploading, I'll show you my Instagram profile. It's a this is my account, cartoon121014. Okay, I got 940 followers and 260 following. 6 posts, okay, I have done so far. And in the bio, I have used this lines: creating spiritual animated stories that heal and inspire, DM for collab, paid promotions, and I put my Gmail ID over here. So if brands are interested in the spiritual and healing area, they'll reach out to me or they'll directly DM me. So till now, I have got only one brand opportunity. So they have mailed me and they have asked to collaborate, but the paying was very less. They were giving me only $5 for 2 posts, so I declined the offer. So currently my purpose is to grow to 10,000 followers. Okay, once I hit the 10,000 followers, so the brands will give me more money to post one story or reel. Okay, and for your information guys, they will also give you the opportunity to create content for them. Okay, so they'll ask you to create content for them. Okay, so if you are doing this as a part-time, so you will not agree to those terms as to create content for them, because it will consume a lot of time. You just need some money, so you will just want to post their brand details or brand reels, okay, on your channel to get some money offhand. Okay, so you can see the latest one is this. Let's play this. I got 6 likes. Okay, so even if you're getting 10 likes or few comments, brands will reach out to you, and 1,000 views. You can see this one got 2, this one got 1, this one got 3. So I just started a week ago guys. So I was so curious to help you guys out, because I know in India, in a country like India, there are a lot of jobs which are not meant for middle class people. So majority of them are jobless. They want side hustle income, they want to earn some money. And I know millions of people in India watch reels on Instagram, and whenever they scroll into these cartoon type reels, they always feel like, how would I create these reels to earn some side income? So by the end of this course guys, you will be perfect enough to create these short reels, okay, to have on your account. Okay, let's play this reel for you guys. I'm playing this reel.
अल्लाह वही एक है जिसके सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं, वो हमेशा जिंदा है, सबका सहारा है, उसे ना नींद आती है ना झपकी, आसमानों और जमीन में जो कुछ है सब उसी का है, कोई उसकी इजाजत के बिना उसके पास सिफारिश नहीं कर सकता, वो जानता है जो कुछ इंसानों के सामने है और जो कुछ उनके पीछे छिपा है, लोग उसकी जानकारी के एक कण पर भी काबू नहीं पा सकते सिवाय उसके जितना वो चाहे। अल्लाह वही एक है जिसके सिवा कोई
Okay, you can see I clicked on insights. So you can see the views is 114. So I've just created this account guys 4-5 days ago, and this is my 6th reel, and in the first few reels I got 60-70 views, but this one got 114 views in one day guys, just 1 day. So you can see the power of Instagram. So if you keep posting these reels now, it will just take 1 week for your reels to go viral. So even if one of your reels goes viral and reaches 10,000 people, okay, so you will get few followers, few hundred followers for sure. So that's how your followers will increase and your post will reach to a lot of people by posting. If you keep posting reels every day, or multiple reels in 1 week. So you can see majority of the people who have seen this reel are my non-followers. Okay, so that's how you can view the insights. And guys, this is my channel logo. So once you are posting any reel on your account, so you must include the text which is the name of your account, so that even if someone tries to copy it, they won't be able to. Okay, to avoid copyright violations, you must use your account name in all your videos. And as you have noticed, well, while the reel is playing, there is some trending audio along with this reel. Okay, so I'll teach you how to add trending audio as well before posting the reel on Instagram. Okay, so this is still wrapping up. Okay, so it takes some time. Now I'll go in detail how to use backgrounds, how to add texts, how to use multiple characters. Okay, just hang tight. So the main problem is, guys, once your preview is being generated and it will go to other screens, it will not be in full speed, it will be stuck. So make sure you be on the same page while you